Alright, back to the Duce robot saucer. Just trying to see if we can get a motor test going here, which we can. I finally got the little motor controller hooked up. Took me a minute. It was a mistake. I had the potentiometer hooked up to the wrong pin. So, hold on one second here. I'm going to plug everything in. Boy, get up here. Hold on 1 minute. It doesn't have any tubes or anything on it. It's not bad. I bet. I mean, this is a pretty sizable saucer, and it is going to get 7 motors. But I got to tell you, that wasn't too bad for one motor. The 1400 kilovolt. Somebody was complaining about them and saying that they were the 1000s, but I don't know. I don't see it. So, Duce robot. Until next time, we'll be hooking some more motors up here right quick. Over and out.